Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we have a requested video, and you can just see right here. Here is the posted comment, and it's an error, and this happens a lot. Actually, I was just talking to a student just the other day. You're going to learn more from your mistakes than from what you get right. Okay? I'm going to say it again. You're going to learn more from your mistakes than from what you get right. All right? And it's actually better to make more mistakes because there's a quote from Bill Gates that he was saying that if you don't get anything wrong, you begin to think that you're solving real problems or something like that. So you don't even know what you're stumbling across. So I encourage you to stretch out. And also, I want to say thank you for posting this because you're going to help out so many other people, because there's people who are having this issue who probably just didn't feel like, or they don't think that I would look at it, but I do. So, all right. And I will put it back up right here again to see what this is. So, all right. This is there. It's got the same dead on error right here, and this is how picky Python is. It's this, there's a space. There's supposed to be 0 space right here on this format. There's pluses and minuses to format. Gives you nice and strings, but it is extremely picky. Okay, so now let's save it, run it again. Boom, we have our number. So there we go. Absolutely awesome question, because this is really what I want when I have the tutorial videos constantly, but I also want this to turn into a forum of problems and answers, because I remember when I was learning, I would beat my head against the wall for weeks. Could sometimes find answers, sometimes not. Stumble across them myself, figure it out, sometimes think I solved it, got the wrong impression because I accidentally got the right answer. You can have a false positive. You can get the right answer and think you solved it, and you got it the wrong way. So absolutely awesome. Thank you so much for the question. Thank you so much for the comment. So please drop any comments, questions, or any video requests, and I will get them, and we will make this channel even stronger. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.